Space exploration is heating up, and America is once again leading the charge, thanks in large part to SpaceX and its revolutionary approach to launching rockets. Earlier this month, SpaceX described how its Falcon rockets are transforming America's Space Coast into a high-speed hub, where launches occur almost as frequently as planes take off at some airports. In 2025 alone, SpaceX's Falcon rockets are reportedly on track to launch more than 100 times from Florida. SpaceX has even built new systems to expedite these launches, such as methane and oxygen production facilities on site for its Starship rocket, aiming to ensure that its launches are not disrupted. For the first time in history, there is a concerted effort from several fronts to break the mold of what's considered conventionally possible when it comes to launching rockets. An effort to advance from the staid stance of slow and cumbersome operations when launching people and payloads to outer space into a dynamic future more akin to what hundreds of millions experience every year via the world's airports, the company wrote in an update published on September 18th. SpaceX and NASA have collaborated once again, this time on a new weather mapping mission. On September 24th, a SpaceX Falcon 9 carried 3 spacecraft into orbit, including NASA's Interstellar Mapping and Acceleration Probe, IMAP. The mission will monitor solar winds and space weather, which can disrupt satellites, power grids, and even astronauts working in the International Space Station, ISS. According to whoisinspace.com, there are 10 total astronauts listed as in space. As of September 25th, 7 of whom are currently at the ISS. This successful launch advances the space weather readiness of our nation to better protect our satellites, interplanetary missions, and spacefaring astronauts from the dangers of space weather throughout the solar system, said NASA Administrator Sean Duffy. This insight will be critical as we prepare for future missions to the Moon and Mars in our endeavor to keep America first in space. Together, NASA and SpaceX are demonstrating that a well-coordinated space program can serve both science and America's broader national interests. Quick commercial rocket launches combined with new research missions mean the U.S. maintains its edge in technology and national security. Now, Elon Musk's vision of a multiplanetary future feels closer than ever, and it's being built right here on American soil. ISS, SpaceX Crew 11, launched August 1, 2025. Zine Cardman, USA, 55 days. Michael Finka, USA, 436 days. Kimia Yui, Japan, 196 days. Oleg Platonov, Russia, 55 days. ISS, Soyuz MS-27, launched April 8, 2025. Johnny Kim, USA, 170 days. Sergei Ryzhikov, Russia, 528 days. Alexei Zubritsky, Russia, 170 days. Tiangong Space Station, Shenzhou 20. Launched April 24, 2025. Chen Dong, China, 369 days. Chen Zhongrui, China, 154 days.